my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe, and be a part of this gang, because this gang is the gang of all gangs, period. So Winter's in the background. She's supposed to be taking a nap, but that'll come soon enough. Today we are going to get ready from makeup to hair to clothes. It is 2:58, so round it up to 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. that I'm starting. I've been procrastinating all freaking morning just because I have so much to do today. I got family flying in tomorrow, so it's just crazy. But I also have to take care of my I also have to take care of myself. I have to take care of my hair. I have to take care of my work promos, all of that stuff. So I'm gonna start off with my makeup, and it's not gonna be like no full makeup tutorial or nothing. My face is breaking out because I've been eating lots of junk food and not enough water to balance it out. So yeah, we're gonna cover that up. My dark circles is acting up today. Let's get started. First thing we have here is my moisturizer. I already prepped my face like 2 hours ago. I'm about to be listening to music because I'm bored and I don't want to watch TV. I'm gonna start off with color correcting. I don't have any green for the red marks that I have, so I'm just making do what I do. I'm gonna freestyle this thing. Hey. Baby. He said, tired of arguing with these bums. Y'all don't even pay me enough to react to y'all effery. Okay, Drake, alright. Energy! Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Know you popping. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. Cause I gotta do my eyebrows first. My eyebrows is like basically microbladed, so I don't really have to do much, but I like to blend out the beginning. It's been a year. It's gonna last 2 more years, but I like to make like fill it in. You know what I mean? Y'all see Winter in the background. She's supposed to be asleep. Freaky! My eyebrows so thick because I'm using this like thick Real Techniques brush that I never use, but all my other brushes are dirty. But can y'all see the difference how light this is? This is like more brown base and it matches my hair, versus this is like just dark. It matches my roots, so it's fine when my roots is growing. But we're gonna get rid of that today, honey. Woo! I do not miss doing my eyebrows. Boy, this takes too much precision and doing the most. So I did that. Now I'm about to put my foundation on, and then instead of using concealer to like conceal it, I'm just gonna use my foundation and put it all on. Where the music at? Let me hear you say it. Let me hear you say it. Okay, I pull up. How about the after party? I've never put a crush on man. I'm a hot girl. I do hot cause I ain't thirsty. Man, they wanna hurt me. I'm living life, but I gotta get rich. Woo! Okay, boom. So I forgot to film. So sorry for that. But it literally only took me an hour and a half. It's 4:30 now. It only took me an extra half an hour because it usually only takes me about an hour or less, because I was doing eyeshadow and then I was trying to find some lashes, and then I had to cut them. Then I can't find my tweezers, so I had to find something else, and then I ended up doing these bottom lashes. But I don't do all of this all the time. Normally I would just put on some regular lashes and call it a day. No eyeshadow, no nothing. But yeah, this is what I came up with. A little bit scary, to be honest. The eyeliner and the eyelashes are just so dark for this hair. I feel like if I had like an updo or something, I think it'd be cute. But now it's time for the part I've been dreading, my hair. But first I'm gonna eat. I haven't ate all day, so 1 second. I'm gonna get in the bath and then I'll see you when I'm done when my hair is wet. I'm back and I got this little microfiber towel thingamajiggy, so I'm just gonna let it soak in for a little bit, set up my bleach and everything that I need, then I'll be right back. So how should I part this? I'm gonna do 4 sections. want it to get super matted or super dry by the time I get to this side. So I'm just putting it in like Bantu knots type of thing and clip it out the way. One day I actually do want to try Bantu knots. They look so cool, but with my luck they'll come out super bad, and then I'll be super annoyed because you gotta wait like till the next day to see your results. Shout out to me for doing my nails. They get better each time, but I still have to practice a lot with the shape. So I'm actually just gonna go side to side. I don't want to do like 4 squares because I don't want one side to be lighter than the other. So I'm just gonna part this again this way. And then I left my hair a little bit damp so I have the least amount of tangles. OMG, so nervous. Yikes. Teeny tiny sections. We don't want to miss any pieces. It is 6:15. Oh my gosh. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard because I can't tell where I'm really putting it. I really hope this ain't a fail. Oh my gosh, I suck. I literally got some way more than I should have got it. I should have just let a professional do this. Oh yeah, it's a disclaimer, I am not a professional, as you can see. I'm so glad I used 10 developer because bro, my hair would have, oh my gosh, burnt off by the time I got to the end. Most importantly, the front, the middle, and the back needs to be flawless because I always have my hair either up in a bun or just down and free. The front isn't honestly that bad, and as I keep going it's not that bad. It's just like the really hard to reach areas. The back of my head is burning and I'm pretty sure it's done processing. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to check it to see if I have to rinse that out before I fry it. Wow, it took me like 50 minutes to do all of this. I'm pretty sure the next time it'll be a little bit faster. Oh my gosh, I got bleach on my eyelashes. I just set the alarm for 10 minutes to see what it's looking like. The back is like already done, so I've literally been using like paper towel and like trying to wipe it off. Trying to go like this and wipe it because it also does itch, but I don't want to itch it because I don't want to burn myself. Ready? 1, 2. Woo! So Xavier walked in right when I was rinsing this out and he's like, oh my god, you're better than the stylist. He was gassing me. And then I realized when I put my head down, where the parts were is where it's still dark. So I'm gonna have to go back over that, but not today because your girl's being lazy. This would honestly be cute just like this, like kind of like an ombre. Maybe? No? Okay. Now I'm about to deposit the color back. It's supposed to be this color but a little bit darker. I got my little concoction mixed up. I'm about to put on my other glove, and then I'm not gonna use the brush or anything. I'm just gonna distribute it crazy. Ooh, it looks like blood. Why does it look super red? Oh nah, baby, this ain't gonna work. So when the stylist first did my hair, she put equal parts of these 2 different colors, but I told her I wanted it more like of an orange instead of a brown, so she told me to mix more of one color than the other color, and it looks scary. Oh snap, I'm supposed to be spraying my hair. You use less color when your hair is wet or damp, and I'm not like starting from scratch, so my color doesn't need to be like super rich or anything. Probably if I don't have enough to like get to the end, I'm gonna be pissed because I have no more color of one of them. Oh my god, this is red. If y'all remember my TikTok, the color was like a brown. Oh, my camera's not. The color was a brown in the TikTok when I was getting my hair done in Texas, and this is like a red, so it's gonna be interesting, but it's honestly not gonna look bad. I know it's not because it's gonna like ombre. At this point, I might as well not even get dressed. It's like so dark outside. So I'm focusing on the roots, and then I'm dragging it down, and then I'll go back through it again to make sure I don't miss any spots, and then drag it down to the end. Hey girl. How you doing? How you doing? I turned off. This is what it looks like. like it got very saturated, and I still got like an ounce and a half left, which is crazy because I didn't think I'd have enough. But it's saturated. I'm excited to see what it looks like at the end. Looks cute. My stylist told me to leave it on for 20 minutes, and I definitely had it on for 40 because I was scrolling on TikTok. But it looks super rich. Okay, honey. Okay, I might have did some. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all. It's literally 12 in the morning. It's literally midnight, and I've been on TikTok, and I got acid reflux. So I've been up, and I'm clearly not gonna get ready and do anything. I'm about to go to sleep because I have to wake up early to get my people. But this is how it looks. This is how it turned out. My hair has been drying for quite some time now, like 2, 3, maybe even 4 hours, and it is 90% dry. Like the back is super wet still. I was just on my phone on the beanbag sitting. My head was just straight like this, so it dried really good. I'm honestly super surprised. This is the 3rd time washing it since I got my hair cut and styled, so it's like super shocking to see this many curls and look super voluminous without styling. This is what a wash and go would look like. My hair takes forever to dry, but then again, I do use a lot of moisture because my hair needs it. My bangs are like stretched at the ends, which I expected because as y'all saw when I was bleaching, or I don't know if y'all saw or not, but when I was bleaching, I got some bleach on the ends for like, I don't know what it was, but I kept getting it on the ends, and I'm like, oh no, they're gonna be stretched, but that's fine because they're the bangs and they end up getting cut along the way anyways. Curious to see how it's gonna look in the morning, so I'm gonna wrap this up, take off my makeup, and see y'all in the morning. Ta-da! It's the next night, not day. I had a lot of stuff to do. Had to get some family from the airport, but this is the outfit I chose. It's cute, you know what I'm saying? I keep like squeezing my stomach, so like my extra fat packs from, you know, quarantine been trying to seep out, so I had to pull that thing all the way up. But anyways, my hair came out pretty good. I took it out the bonnet this morning, and all I did was like add a little bit of water because it was like kind of sticking up a little bit, a couple of them. But this is what it looks like. It's still kind of stiff, so I'm gonna manipulate it and stuff. But first I wanted to do my baby hairs. Ooh, why is it not focusing? This color is giving me life. So I was in a rush today to the airport and like right back at home, so I didn't have the time to like actually analyze my hair color. But I really love it. The first time was like brown, like a chocolate, milk chocolate almost brown, and this time it's turning out to the color that I really wanted from the beginning. So I think I'm gonna tell my hairstylist to send me some more so that the next time I do this, it becomes even lighter. So the colors that I use, because I know you guys are gonna ask, a lot of people's been asking on my TikTok, it's the Redken line 08C of Cane. How do you say that word? I always say cane. It's this one. And then I use 08C3 Sunrise. I used half an ounce of this and 3/4 of the cane because that's what's gonna give me the like more orangey, she said. But in the beginning, to get like the chocolatey brown, you use half of each. And some people ask, if you're gonna put your hair down, why do you do edges? It's because I always put it up. Like I always put it down, put it up, put it down, put it up. Like my bangs annoy me, like hair in my face, which is kind of defeats like the purpose of having bangs. But like bangs are just so freaking cute, and they cover up the forehead, but so do edges. So I need my forehead covered at all times, honey. Where all my big forehead babies at? So to do my edges, I'm using the product that I use for my hair. This is what I usually use. It's literally a one-stop shop for me. My stylist says she uses it on all types of curls, from the loosest curls to the tightest curls. It's just a one-stop shop. Because a lot of people watch my videos and you're like, oh, my 4C hair could never. Oh, my 3C hair. Like, sis, she says that it got you covered. I feel like edges just really put a look together. Now, I'm not a fan of edges with blonde hair. I feel like it just looks very odd, and I didn't realize that until my wig stylist said that. And then I started looking at like TikTok videos and videos of girls with blonde hair, platinum blonde hair, putting edges, and I'm like, oh, it looks like a helmet. So when I was wearing wigs back to back, it always like rips off my sideburns and I really love them. So this one's really long and this one's really short, but it's gonna get there. Cute, honey. If this was a different color headband, I would totally rock it. Actually, let me see if I got another headband. How does this look? Kind of ugly. What about if I put my hair down? When I put my hair down, it's kind of like, what's the point? It's kind of cute though, because we're gonna go eat some juicy crab later, so my hair's gonna for sure be up. So like, what if I do like this? Gross. Okay, great. But yeah, that's my outfit. I got a little body chain on, but it's kind of pointless because it keeps rolling over and underneath my clothes. But it's a cute little accent. This would be cute for like a little picture, but it is honestly super cold in Atlanta. It just got like really freezing starting yesterday. It started snowing and stuff, so that's annoying because now you have to wear like all these big coats and stuff. And because I'm so small, like my torso is so small, my jacket's like go all the way up here and then it'd be rubbing my makeup off and just all types of stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was not as entertaining as I thought it was gonna be. Make sure you comment what else you would like to see as far as my hair. I really do want to try new things, but anyways, that's besides the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. I'll see you on TikTok or Instagram in the meantime. Bye.